Here we go, folks. 81 today, the high, 66 the low. That's 9 degrees above the averages of 75 and 54. And will be just that warm and then some probably tomorrow. Here's a look right now at Heinz Field and the Fort Duquesne Bridge in the foreground, the North Shore all around, and it's 71 degrees right there, and at Pittsburgh International too, with a partly cloudy sky, humidity at 84%, winds are calm, pressure is high, and so is the dew point at 66 degrees. Temperatures around the region right now all in the 70s. Latrobe and Morgantown, the hot spots, at 72 apiece. It's 71 at Pittsburgh International, Washington, Denora, Beaver Falls, and 70 out in Wheeling. As you can see, a warm night out there, and it's going to remain that way for the next couple of days. Things don't really start to cool down until after we get the remnants of what was Hurricane Florence. Now Tropical Storm Florence, just barely, only 1 degree above tropical storm status she is at the moment. And then as we head into next week, things will start to cool down after the remnants go by. Here we are with a look at temperatures in the next 24 hours, not dropping much into the mid to upper 60s for overnight lows tonight before heading right back up into the low 80s. Some of you might even see 83 or 4 degrees for a high tomorrow. And as we look at radar, you can see it's quiet right now. Just a couple of false echo returns right there around the radar site. Nothing going on locally. But those outer bands of the rain shield associated with Florence beginning to show up on radar, and they'll continue moving north as we head through the day tomorrow and on into Tuesday or Monday and Tuesday, which is when most all of the rain will arrive. Here's the forecast, futurecast rather, showing you what to look for tonight. Not much, just a mostly cloudy sky or partly cloudy sky at times. And then tomorrow, big breaks in the cloud deck, maybe a slight spotty shower from time to time over in the Laurel Highlands. But then look at Monday. Wow. Things really blow up as the moisture content from what was Hurricane Florence come on in. And when they do, they'll bring some fairly sizable totals to the region. Now, not all of us will see amazing amounts, but look at the projection for Wheeling, almost 2 inches, 1.25 inches in Morgantown, almost 2 in Waynesburg. Excuse me, 1.3 inches in Little Washington, and 3/4 inch in Pittsburgh. So that's coming in on Monday, and then there'll be another inch or so to come on Tuesday. So some rain coming, that's for sure, early next week. Be prepared. 68 with a partly cloudy sky, warm and humid tonight, and more of the same tomorrow with a high right around 80, 81 degrees, much like today. And as we head into the first part of next week, that's when things start to change on us. We get the rain on Monday into Tuesday, rain ending with a total of 2, maybe as much as 3 inches from what was Hurricane Florence, and then it's back into the low 80s or close to it on Wednesday and Thursday. We dry out nicely before showers and storms return Friday, and cooler weather comes in for the weekend.